we've looked at multiplying radicals previously. There isn't a whole lot that's different about dividing radicals. The same idea holds. We can do this with any radicals that have the same index. We're also allowed to either work with them as one complete fraction or break them apart into numerator and denominator. In this case, we're presented with something that is two individual radicals as numerator and denominator. It might make sense to put them together before we get started. You can rewrite them under one radical. So we get 128x squared y cubed over 2. 128 divided by 2 is something we can do. So we get the cube root of 64x squared y cubed. Now in this case, the cube root of 64 is a value we can actually hang our hats on. The cube root of y cubed is something we can do. The cube root of x squared is something that's going to get stuck under the radical and it's going to have to stay there. Individually, cube root of 64 is 4, cube root of y cubed is just y, and the cube root of x squared remains under the radical.